Bonjour, welcome to Parler French. Today's video is going to be a little different because I am going to recommend some of the best TV shows that were ever made in the French language, which can help you in boosting the language learning process. Here are some of my recommendations and I hope everyone likes it. So the first in our list is 10%, which is also called Call My Agent in English. So this show is available on Netflix. It has 4 seasons with 6 episodes each. It describes the life of a talent agency with their agents and actors. They skillfully combine art and business while their personal lives comes into conflict. This show takes us to the wild side of celebrity life with tears, emotions, joy, laughter, etc. So this is a really good watch and I highly recommend you all to watch it. The next TV show in our list is Les Bureaux de Légion. It is a French political thriller which has been praised in France and as well as many countries, and it has also won several awards. Next TV series on our list is 13th November Attack on Paris. It is a French documentary series depicted upon the events which occurred on 13th November 2015 in Paris, where 6 locations were attacked by the ISIS terrorists, leaving 180 killed with hundreds injured. So this is an intense watch and one of my favorites. The next TV series in our list is Groom. It is a YouTube original series with 2 seasons and 10 episodes. This series talks about a young boy, William, who is the only son of a wealthy hotel magnate. One day, after getting drunk in a birthday party at a grand hotel, he accidentally injures the establishment's bellboy. In order to teach him a lesson, his father threatens him to disinherit him and asks him to replace the bellboy. William, who has never worked in his life, is going to work for the first time. It is a very fun and an entertaining watch. The last series in our list is Family Business. This, like the previous series, is a very fun and very interesting TV series which talks about a failed businessman who changes his idea of the business and sees success. So these are the 5 TV series that I would recommend you all to watch in order to improve your French language and also enjoy the French culture and their cinematography. So that's it from me in this video, guys. I hope everyone liked my recommendations and please do give them all a watch. Thank you and see you in the next video.